Good morning! So, nandito na kami sa entrance ng Sigiriya Rock. So, we're gonna be hiking the tall rock na makikita nyo later sa video.
Eating eagle. Sino na naman? Hindi na interpret.
Hello there! Meron din dito ang herbal garden. Yan, and we will continue to the rock. So dito yung ticket office, and then they also have museum here. So this is our way. Yan, and this is where you buy ticket. Ticket rates for foreigners, so 30 USD for adults, children is 15 USD, age 6 to 12. Ayan, so they also provide this pamphlet. Ayan, so of course information about Sigiriya in general. So we have now our ticket and we're walking towards the rock. Okay, akala ko may problema na yung ticket ko eh.
As we get closer to the Sigiriya Rock Formation, so lahat na makikita natin down below, surrounding areas are gardens. So according to our guide, this is one of the oldest landscape gardens in the world. So here, down below, so these are the water garden. As you can see, all of these structure, lahat yan mga landscape gardens. So there are also pools here that you can see may mga deposit pa ng water.
Ayan, so papalapit na tayo sa Sigiriya Rock. Ito na yung view of the rock.
Something inside the palace. They make a reclining Buddha statues white marble inside the cave. This time no statue there. Archaeological people they bring to the museum. Calling fresco painting. These are for decoration. That blue color not from Sri Lanka. The British, yeah, similar to British technique, yeah. For waiting for the king for election like that. We can enter now pathway. Similar rock. And then we climb up to the hill. Yeah? And after, yeah.
Napapay sa pinakataas sa Pigwagi Way. And it's our view. May toilet nga pala dito before you finally go up dito sa rock. So if you need to use one, so there is one here.
That's a
Ito
bumblebees
yung
or killer bees.
feet
So
of
we
the
have to be
lion.
careful for that. When you trouble the bees, we have to lie down. Or
And
we
doon
can
pa
run
tayo
down, they have to go to
aakyat
this stage.
sa
So protected.
pinakataas.
Yeah, I think no trouble, not sure. That's a white.
Okay, so akit na tayo dito sa pinaka rock here. Teka lang, Leo. Hello.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog! Ang taas na namin. Ganda na ng view dito. Konti na lang and nandun na kami sa
Mabili lang.
So, slowly but surely. Dito medyo madulas yung steps. Tapos slanted pa. Yeah, we have to be careful. Alright, so konti na lang. Okay ka pa, Gio? Yan, so this is our current view na. This is also a sacred hill. I forgot the name. So yeah, I'll check. And then yan. Few more steps. And we are there. Alright. We're okay.
Keep going. Few more steps and we're up there.
And we are here. Oh, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng view. Okay. So let's explore the place. Pwede pa tayo umakyat dito. Doon tayo sa pinaka taas pumunta. Ang ganda. Okay, here. Excuse me. Okay. Siyempre, dito tayo sa pinaka-taas yan. We're already on top of the rock. And then may mga structure pa dito. And this is the highest part. This one. So, yeah. Here. Okay. So this is our view dito sa pinakamataas na part. Dito sa Lions Rock. Sigiriya Rock. Dito sa Sri Lanka. This is the swimming pool here sa Royal Complex. It's 2 meters deep according to our tour guide. Yan. So pupunta tayo dun sa swimming pool. And it is here. There. Yan. So ito na yung swimming pool dito. Stagnant na lang yung water.
Walk. And the walk, step down, and water slide down. This is the royal family, yeah? The royal family, yeah. And swimming from this.
Alright, so we're done here sa taas. We're now going down. Okay. Alright. Yan. This is the view from here. You have to be careful. Malilit lang yung steps.
Yeah, you're right there. You're right there. Only 8,000 steps to go. Oh, but the top's closed. I hope that's okay. No, it's really just around that corner.
Thank you. Oh, on the top? Oh.
Naman tayo sa may kabilang side. Akad tayo dito sa may spiral stairs going up. Nandun yung mga paintings on the wall.
How did they do it?
How did they paint it? There's no...
Yan. So, nakababa na kami from the paintings on the wall. So, yung story daw nun ay basically the concubine of the king. So, roughly around 500 yung naging concubine ng king. So, andun siya yung mga paintings ng women, naked women. So, wala silang pantaas. This way out. Of course, for every part, so after the tour, maraming okay, so maraming souvenir shops. Alright, so dito naman, susutin natin yung kanilang mga national costume. Yan, dito yan sa Sri Lanka Silks. May mga silk demonstration tayo dito. Ah, okay. Ito medyo mas...
Also, we have another variety of
50.
silk. This is cross silk. Normally, it can be people, European, especially North American people.
There's one. Pashmina. Yan. Persian wool. Ay, ang ganda. Ang lambot. Iba talaga ang tela ng pashmina. Pashmina, neck part. Cashmere, body parts. Body here.
Also, we have Sri
Kashmir.
Lankan contribution with uniform sceneries. Each 1,000 rupees. All the five.
Guys, so we're gonna be trying the traditional clothes of Sri Lanka. So let's try. This is sarong. Okay. Shirt. Okay. I want. What do you think? How do you read my personality? The bright color. Okay. Okay. She picked the color for me. So this one. Let's try.
Makita mo lahat. Ganyan mo.
Alright, so we're done here sa Lanka Silks. So off to our next destination. Hi! So naka-check out na kami and now we are here sa Singhagiri. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a traditional village tour. Dito pa rin yan sa Sigiriya, Sri Lanka. Yan, so for the village tour, we're gonna be doing this. Sasakay kami ng cart and then there's also boat ride. Included na rin sa package yung lunch. Yan. This is our ride.
Doon ako sa cow.
Nice, nice. See you! Alright, so start na ng ating, well, magla-lunch muna kami pero sasakay kami sa Caritela.
Cartel. Ano ba English to? Cart. So, inihila siya ng cow. Ayan. Sila nakasakay, kami maglalakad. Ito na yung sasakyan namin. There. So, this is smaller kasi tatlo lang kami. Sakay na tayo na. Cart.
Ako na magpa-vlog sa craft.
Here. Sure. For the experience. Dito tayo sa harap. Okay, so start na ng ating ride. Okay, so tapos na yung ride natin. Makakaawa lang yung yung baka. Medyo may guilt lang pero na. Ayan, so we're walking towards the lake after dun sa cow ride. Magbo-boat naman tayo. Ayan, so ito na yung mga boat natin. Let's go down. So the group is divided into 4 groups.
Ay, naku po. Ayan na po.
So start na yung ating boat ride. Hello guys! Lord. Yan, ginagawan kami ni Kuya ng Lotus Cup. Let me have it. Let's try it. Ay, pinangay na. There, so I'm now wearing the cup made of lotus leaves. Thank you. Let's go. Nice. Rose made of lotus flower. Diba?
Record. Oh. So, record.
Alright, so dito na tayo magla-lunch. So, yan. This is part of the village tour. Yung ating traditional lunch for today. Lime and tomato. Ganun siya talaga mag-cut. Oh!
Nakasmile pa siya.
Oh my God. Performer talaga sa atin. Sasama niya dito.
Kaya mo ba yun? Baliktaran.
Papa, pasalok na labis. Ano?
Buti nakokontrol niya yung sa thumb sa ibabaw.
Minatela na siya.
Galing, no? Oh, tignan mo. Grabe, wow!
Yeah! Lolo.
Okay.
Chili, pepper, garlic,
Alright.
salt.
Salt. And then she will add salt.
Ganda, oh. Background tayo. Likod na lang.
Ay, parang
Okay.
Likod na lang naman.
Lagyan niya ng salt and and then you will
Coconut.
mix
Coconut, onion, and tomato.
coconut, onion, and tomato. Ay, experience.
Kaya rose ko na.
yung rose pa din.
Oh.
Cute.
So let's taste. What do you call this?
Coconut
Coconut sambal.
Coconut sambal.
Me too,
Ang sarap. Sarap.
Ito yung lunch namin. Here.
Ayan ang phone na ginagano po. Aramin.
Yan, this is our lunch for today. Made from this traditional kitchen in Sri Lanka. And so may mga demonstration tayo after ng rice. Ito naman, gusto nyo pakita kung paano ginagawa itong yan, bubong. Hello!
Ayubuan.
Alright, so we're done with lunch and some traditional demonstrations here, so we're going back. Welcome to Elephant Orphanage. Ito yung ticket price niya. Yeah, so for an adult, it's 15 USD. Meron sila dito ng iba't ibang activities na nakaschedule. Okay, so nandito na kami sa loob ng orphanage and we're gonna be hunting for elephant. Where are they? Where are they? So usually kapag may mga walking tour, ito yung track nila. Ito yung lalakarin nila. So paikot lang yata ito sa dito sa orphanage. Ayun na sila, mukhang mga nakasilong na yung mga elephant.
Hello, come here. Come here. Come to Papa. Makain ko. This situation. Bata pa siya. Hello. Ito na yung...
Lang, laki oh. Tingnan nyo. Grabe.
Oo nga, galit. Ang laki ng
5
lotus
yung
to the
paa
paa.
niya.
Bakit? Ayan o, laki oh. Habas.
Inhit niya yata siya.
Oo, bakit? Anong nangyari sa'yo?
Ang laki.
Uy, huwag kayo lalapit. Baka maano kayo.
Look at that. Ang laki. Kaya siya. Andito na yung maraming elepante. Nakakakadena na sila eh. Yan, hanggang dito lang tayo. So we'll just watch them here while they are eating. So we cannot go inside anymore and feed them. Yeah, unlike dun sa Chiang Mai, yan, you can feed them, you can actually walk with them, and then meron din dong bathing with elephants. Or maybe we're done. I mean, late na kami for those types of activities kasi it's kinda late na rin. Ayan, so may mga baby elephants doon. Kaso di kami makapasok. So I just gave Kuya my phone. Ayan, I just paid Kuya some tip yun para doon sa videos with the baby elephants. Meron ditong parang, siguro this is where they show. Yan, for the elephant. Kaso, yeah, late na. So, wala na. Alright, so dahil medyo late na rin, few minutes lang kami nagstay dito, maybe roughly around 20 to 30 minutes. So, yun, kita nyo na yung mga elephant dito sa orphanage. So, yeah, I think it would be better. It would have been a better experience kung makaka-interact mo talaga sila. You feed them, you walk with them. So, but it's not. So, Anyway, it's still a good experience, so still worth a try, maybe. And after this, we are traveling na to Colombo, where we will be staying for the night. So that is our experience here sa Pinawala Elephant Sanctuary. So please do not forget to like, comment, share this video, of course, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See ya!